What's going on, everybody? So I just want to make a quick video and talk about fake reviews, and not just any type of fake review, but video fake reviews. So this is one of the things that makes it so hard to trust anybody. It makes it so hard to figure out who's real and who's not real. But I'm going to leave a link in the description as well as in the comments, so y'all can go watch this video and you'll see exactly what I mean. They keep looking down in the video when they're asked questions. Obviously they're reading something, but there's several other things. So I want to post the screenshot up here for y'all and notice, okay, they started in 2021. Now keep in mind, credit repair can take 2 years. It can take longer than 2 years. I'm not here to debate that. But one of the things she keeps saying in the video is how fast he is, how fast the service is, how fast the items are coming off. He's all about, we're the fastest, we get things done fast. It's obvious that he coached her into saying that, because ain't nothing about 2 years fast, trust me. And again, I know it can take that long. It can take longer than that. But, you know, he obviously coached her into saying that. And then the other thing she kept saying that obviously come from him was snail mail. Doing everything electronically in snail mail. So, again, this is what makes it so hard to do, but it's sad that people like him, he's not the only one that does this. You know, they pay people for these fake reviews, but if you're going to fake a review or pay somebody to do a video review, don't make them talk exactly like you, because that makes it so easy for me to point out. Don't tell them to say snail mail. Don't ask them how you done everything. If she's in another country, how the hell does she know if you sent it through the mail or if you done it digitally, electronically? How does she know? There's no way to know. You told her to say all that. Dude, you are so desperate. It's sad, dude. And I know everybody's tired of me talking about this cat, but I gotta warn as many people as I can, or he's just gonna keep scamming people. It's all he knows. I mean, scamming is what he knows. He is a tiny version of Mike from the credit game. And like I said last time, he will go down. It's only a matter of time. He's stuck in Vietnam. His visa has expired. He has no choice but to stay over there. He is not coming stateside. He is not in New York. So again, y'all, you got to be careful with these reviews. Even the video reviews are fake now. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.